How to move contacts to SIM card on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Contacts. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Contacts, click on Organize located at bottom right. In here, scroll down and you will find all these options pop up. Click on Manage SIM. Then click on the SIM from where you want to import and then press on OK. You'll find all your contact list. If you want the person, make sure there is tick mark and then press on Import, which is located at top right corner of your screen. After that, you're good to go. Your contacts will be moved to your SIM card. This is how to move contacts to SIM card on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.